To read and earn rewards in a travel program. Start by visiting the program's website. The website has a page dedicated to earning rewards, where you can learn that for every dollar spent on eligible bookings, such as hotels, vacation rentals, and flights, you can earn rewards. To begin, navigate to the website and click on the Explore option, which will take you to a page where you can search for bookings. Choose your travel type, location, and dates, and then select the number of travelers. After clicking Search, you will see a list of results, which can be filtered to narrow down your options. Once you have selected a property, you can view its details and reserve it by scrolling down and clicking on the Reserve option. After the page loads, fill out the required information, and if you have existing points, you can use them towards your booking. Finally, complete the booking and you will be all set. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can earn rewards on your travel bookings.